Welcome back to my channel. I'm just a Ghanaian national service personnel, a surprise planner, a raising artist, and a hotel receptionist. Yeah, so basically this account is to, give tips on how to be a surprise planner, a raising artist, my life as a hotel receptionist, and everything. I'm just starting my influencing and content creation journey, and I need a community to start with. So if you see this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and then repost so we all build this community together. If you want to learn a skill, then this account right here is for you. Don't forget to like again, comment, share, and then stay tuned for my next video.